In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Maps widget on your Wix website. If you want visitors to quickly see where you're located, adding a map right on your site is a simple professional touch. We'll walk through placing the map on your page, positioning it neatly, and resizing it so it fits your design. No extra plugins or complex setup, just a clean, built-in option inside the Wix Editor. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor. On the left side of the screen, look for the vertical toolbar. Click the Add button, the one with the plus icon. This is your main hub for inserting new elements like text, images, and in our case, a map. If you don't immediately see the plus, hover your cursor near the edge of the left panel. It's usually pinned there and easy to spot. Next, you'll choose the Google Maps element. You'll typically find it in either the Contact and Forms section or the Embed section inside the Add menu, depending on your editor layout. Open one of those categories and select Google Maps. You're looking for the standard map widget provided by Wix. It's designed to integrate seamlessly and maintain consistent styling across your site. Once you've selected it, drag the map onto your page. You can place it anywhere. Many people prefer adding it to a contact section or near a location block so information stays grouped. As you drag, watch for Wix's smart alignment guides. Those pink lines help you center the map or align it with other elements for a polished look. Try to keep consistent margins on the sides so it doesn't feel cramped or oversized. To resize, click the map and use the corner handles to scale it up or down. Dragging from a corner keeps the proportions balanced, which generally looks cleaner. Make it large enough to be useful, but not so large that it overwhelms surrounding content. If your page is structured in columns or strips, align the map within that grid so everything stays tidy. Also keep in mind how it might appear on smaller screens. Leaving a bit of breathing room around the map can make your layout more adaptable. That's it. Add, choose Google Maps from Contact and Forms or Embed, then drag, position, and resize. With those simple actions, your site gains a clear visual cue to your location, helping visitors find you faster and improving the overall professionalism of your page. Keep your layout consistent, trust the alignment guides, and you'll have a map that looks great and works naturally within your design.